Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to perform a small video on how to download and install a Palo Alto virtual image. So right now I'm in Palo Alto support, support.paloalto.network.com, and you need to go to the updates. Under that you need to go to the softwares. Under softwares, you have to select Pan OS for VM series base image. In that I wanted to download a 19.1.0. It's around 2.5 gig. I need to click on this link to download. I have already downloaded and kept it in my F drive. So this is the image. So what I need to do is I will double click and install it on virtual VMware workstation. So it's asking for the name for the new virtual machine. I will give VM 9.10, and this is asking for the path to store the virtual machine. So I will go to the F drive, and here is a Pan OS 9. Select that folder, click OK, and click on import. So it will take some time to import the image. So meanwhile I will pause. Okay, the file got imported successfully. So just to tell about that, this file, the OVA, whatever the image we have imported, right? So this file contains all the files needed to run yeah, your file into a virtual environment. Okay, and so once you import, right, so we will be getting like let's edit this virtual machine settings. Okay, so by default it will take a memory 5.5 GB and processor 2, and it will take a 60 GB of RAM and a CD. You can ignore this one. So there will be three by default network adapters. Okay, so if you want you can add one more adapters. So first by default okay, it contains all the network adapter as a bridge. Suppose if you want to have any appropriate interfaces, you can select that accordingly. So in my case, I will select first interface. It takes as a management interface, so I want to select as a NAT interface. So whatever the it's coming, right, so it will take the my NAT interface. And physical adapter to it will Ethernet 1/1, and physical adapter 3 is Ethernet 1/2, and so on. If you add one more, right, it will take as a Ethernet 1/3. So first interface I will dedicatedly keep it for a management interface, and second one is for uh, this is for outside. So I will keep it as a NAT as well. So third interface is for my inside, so I will select as a custom. So custom I want to use as a VMnet 3, and I want one more interface for my DMG. So I will click on add network interface and select this network adapter and click on finish. So you will get the one more interface as an add one more interface. So for that, for my fourth interface, I will select a LAN segment inside that. So I have created earlier LAN and DMG. Suppose if you want to add one more one more LAN segment, so you can create on a LAN segment and click on add. So you can mention as a DMZ Z2. So click on add, click on OK. So in this LAN segment you will get that DMZ2 interface, that segment. You can click on select on that. So I will go with the DMG. So I have already created one LAN segment. In that I will select DMG. So after that click on OK. So your network adapter changes has been saved here. Okay, one more thing, these network adapter supports VMX Net 3. Um, So suppose if you want to verify all these network adapters, so you can go to this file, configuration file. So under f drive pa0-9 and po9.1.0.vmx. Okay, let's go to that path. So here is pan OS. So here is a virtual machine configuration. So we can right click and edit notepad. So if you come down, we have a virtual adapter, virtual Ethernet 2 as a VMX Net 3, and here also is Ethernet 1 is also VMX 3, and for Ethernet 2, okay, we need to check the VMX Net 3. So in this for VMNet 3 we have only E1000, so we need to change this one VE1000 to VMX Net 3. Just copy and paste this one and select. Save the changes, close this one and power on the machine. So it will take some time to completely boot up. So I will be back once it's done. Meanwhile, I will pause this video. Okay, so once it's loaded successfully, you will see the login console like this. So we need to enter the default username as admin and password as admin. And immediately it will ask for the enter old password. So admin. Let's change the password to admin at 123 and confirm it once again. Okay, so number of failed attempts instance is 0. So we got the warning. Your device is still configured with the default admin and account credentials. Please change your password prior to deployment. So right now we have already changed the password. So so what we do is next is, so we will see the management interface. So you can type the show management. So interface management. So what IP address it has been configured. The default management interface is configured as a 192.168.238.217. Actually this is my NAT IP, NATed interface. So and default gateway is 238.2 and byte receives. These are all the information you will see. So what we will do, we will access this via GUI 92.168.238.217. Okay, so I got the SSL warning. Click on advanced and proceed. So now it's asking for the username and password. Username is admin and password is admin at 123. We have set it. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes to give the welcome page. We got the welcome page. Welcome to Pan OS 9.1. Okay, we'll click this one. Do not show again. Click close. So this is dashboard of Palo Alto 9.10. So in my next video we will see all the next steps. So I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to say thank you for watching.